Hey everyone, Greg here. Today I'm going to share how you can check to figure out what keywords rank in the people also ask section within Google. So here's the keyword at the top, Bleacher Creature Yankees. Wikipedia ranks first. And then if you open up this is my website. So I own this listing for people also ask. And if you scroll down a bit, I also own the second organic listing as well within Google. So I have two opportunities to drive traffic to my site based off one keyword, search, which is exactly what we want to do by optimizing for people also ask. If you go into SEMRush and you want to figure out how to get to this report, put in any website you want, click search, and go to organic research. From there, make sure overview is checked off and then scroll down. This SERP features section, this is where this report is going to be. So click on people also ask. These are those question boxes that I showed earlier within Google. So for my website, I rank for 80 keywords, drives just under 200 visits per month. And if you scroll down, this is that ranking keyword, Bleacher Creature Yankees. Now from there, what I would do is each month, if I was working on for like a client or even this website in general, I would take an historical snapshot and say, May we ranked for 90 so far. In June we're at 80, but that's still up from 52 from the month of April, etc. And what's critical is that you should be trying to grow the total amount of words ranking for people also ask, because again, it's another opportunity to drive additional traffic to your website based off any keyword search, as well as trying to rank for that organic listing. So wanted to share real quick. It's actually quite easy to find. Go to SEMrush, organic research, scroll down to people also ask. And then this is the report right there. You'll see exactly all the keywords that are ranking that SEMrush knows about within Google.